In this Challenge, Innovate, Grow learning episode, we will be examining how we transfer information to our long-term memory. Transferring information from short-term to long-term memory requires encoding and consolidation. Encoding converts sensory information, such as sight, sound, and smell, into neural codes that can be stored in our long-term memory. Paying attention and actively engaging with the learning is vitally important if we want to successfully encode. Learning strategies such as mnemonics, metacognition, and visualization aid in encoding. Remember, the more appropriate the learning strategy, the more effective the encoding. Once the information is encoded within our brain, we need to consolidate it. Consolidation is when we strengthen newly acquired memories over time. Learning strategies such as spaced repetition and interleaving aid consolidation, as does sleep. Sleep is important as it reactivates, reorganizes, and refreshes our neural pathways. The hippocampus also plays an important role in the consolidation of information. The hippocampus is the part of the brain that helps us form and organize our memories. If you have enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell so you will be alerted whenever we release a new episode.